You're good, you're good.
Are you still alive?
Go. You know this.
Grenade it.
Direct front, 3 o'clock. Two guys by underneath. He's waiting for you, like 10 feet away from you.
Like right here,
On my 12.
right?
Right there.
Yeah.
That's like two guys like the pro on the ground right now.
Hey, right here, Lancer. Top up over.
Shit.
There's a guy right here. Where? Right here, yeah.
Still there. Right there. He's moving up to from the right to left.
I got flank.
To the cover.
Hey, man. You have anyone on the rear?
Hey. Yeah,
You say more. Expect.
Gino, yeah. Baby Seal.
Yeah.
Get underneath these stairs. No?
Go down.
Hey, we got right side, right here. Go right side.
That's it.
Right side.
Hey, watch your left. Keep watching your left.
I can't, I've been shuffling back.
Oh, you gonna die? You dead?
You know, I didn't die, but...
I have no idea where this guy's at.
Hey, Gino.
This story coming up, two guys coming up to you over there. Also, like two guys, they throw on the ground on the left side
I got
up
that
there.
corner.
Lancer, we got two guys going on the lawn.
Hey,
They're coming up.
What side?
Alright, let's go.
Hey, left side!
It's a person right now.
No, hey, what?
Hey, they're right in front of us.
Alright, let's get close. I got it, guys. Go fast. Hey, who has the AK?
I got him.
You got it?
No, who has the AK?
Oh, what you want?
Lancer does.
Lancer. Yeah. Hey, crossfire. Position. I'll crossfire your position. Corner.
On the head?
Looking this way. No. Go that way. Yeah. Go where the Gatorade bottle is.
What's up? Private on the right. Gina.
Yeah.
That's like private on the right hand side over there. That's like two guys over there.
You're good. I got him.
You got him, Lancer?
He's still there, but you're good.
I can't pop up. He's hitting right.
He's fine. That's it. I got it.
Baby Seal.
You got it?
I got it.
Baby Seal, go up in the middle. Go up top.
Melee!
Baby Seal, come on.
Kneel down.
Baby Seal, come up.
Stand now.
I got the rear, Baby Seal, come on. AK, I need you to cover this right side.
Coming down.
I need you to cover here, so you can get to like Gatorade bottle is, and crossfire to here, you understand? Like, I'll cover there, and that stuff, in that corner. But I need you where that Gatorade bottle is, and cover this corner.
Hey, Baby Seal, to the line.
Go.
Hey, my son!
Hey, Baby Seal. I still alive. Can you see me?
Yeah, if you get medic, get up here.
I need better quick.
Hey,
Wait a minute. Take it. You good?
Stay down.
Yeah, I got it.
He moved from that straight over this way.
Let me sir.
He moved this way.
To right.
Yeah, that's him right there.
Damn, I didn't see the left too. I'm stuck. He's on.
I'm covering the woods in that corner where the cake is up.
Let me get down there.
Here we go.
They keep hot though.
They're behind us.
Yeah, I got back, I got rear. Just make sure we don't get flanked on here, okay?
Yeah, I'm watching it.
You and I are rear duty. We don't worry anything else. Can't let me get anything.
No, I'm good. I can see everything.
Huh?
No, stay there.
Stay there, medic.
Yeah! Rear left!
Rear left?
No, front left!
This side?
Yep, my tire on the left.
Alright, watch it.
Hey, cruising in though.
No, we're good. I got things covered. No, we're good. I got AK covering crossfire.
What?
Hey, but I better cover up there.
Huh?
I better cover up there.
Yeah.
Should I come?
Go up.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Alright, now.
You got the down though. Where you go up there?
Is anybody on rear security?
Yeah, I got rear security. You're good. Do it now.
Oh, my mag.
They're moving up! Hey, Andrew.
Yeah.
Waiting for you. About 10 feet away, waiting for you.
Okay, you hear that, AK?
Yeah, I see him. Alright.
I'm covering rear and left.
They're moving up on the middle.
I'm covering rear and right. AK is covered.
Alright.
Rear.
That's clean kill.
Fuck, my life. I thought he was dead.
Oh shit, dude.
Yeah. What's pistol on them?
Alright, boy. You take that. I'll take that one.
I got good.
Wait.
Baby Seal.
You got a pistol?
Your pistol's good?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Hold on. We're gonna get it from the rear.
I know.
Hey. Fake grenade them. White wheels in the rear.
Here. No, actually, he's not there.
Backwards? Yeah.
Just fake him. Try to fake him in front. Hey, no, fucking one in the middle of them.
That one. Tino,
Yeah.
let me get your pistol.
Look inside.
Huh?
It's down.
Head. Man.
Hey,
Take it down.
take it through it.
Thank you.
Hey,
Back in.
Seal, Baby Seal, get your pistol.
Hey, rear fire.
Rear fire!
What are we at? All the way back there?
All the way back there. Baby Seal, take cover, Baby Seal.
Hold on.
Touch that eye, buddy.
Hey.
You hit?
Good your ass.
All right, every gun is down.
Baby Seal, let me see your gun.
Hold on. He's hurt. There's only one guy in those woods. I know. One down.
Baby Seal, you're down? I need a gun.
Hit.
Huh?
He's down.
You hit, Cam?
Man.
Yes.
Hold that.
2 eggs? What's your gun?
Hey, buddy.
Never mind, Baby Seal, I got a gun.
Take it left.
Hey, that's rear.
Where?
That's right, wood.
Ding.
Hey.
We said no wood! How many fucking times do I have to fucking say no wood? That's fucking wood! Alright, fuck you.
Oh, wow.
You don't have full auto!
Back in.
You don't have full auto!
Hey, right, Marker.
Stop shooting! I didn't hear you, I'm sorry. Sorry.
I think they're all there. All met out.
You're out?
Oh, shit. I got it, buddy. Hey, bitch, I'm outside.